Today we are going to make a video of class 6 science chapter 5 changes around us. Here changes around us. Everything is changing in the world. You know this thing because this is the rule of nature. You know, every time all things are changing. Okay, here melting of ice will change into water, growing of plant, evaporation of lake water. You know this thing, what is evaporation. Here change is a phenomena in which an object may become different in its shape, size, position, and at times even in its composition. Okay, here there are mainly, here classify them in the following category. Changes are classified into following categories: slow and fast change, reversible and irreversible changes, physical and chemical change. Slow and fast change: curd added to milk, formation of curd you are seeing. Lemon juice added to milk, formation of cheese. Okay, you are seeing this thing. Here slow change and fast change. Try to understand slow change that take place in a longer duration of time. This is slow change. Here example: change of season, growth of a plant, rusting of iron. Okay, rusting, you will observe, if you will keep a rod of iron for long time in the outer surface of the house, then you will observe that after long time there will be some brown color. You will observe there will be some brown color which is affected this iron rod. What is this? This is rusting of iron. Okay, now here rust is a reddish brown substance which is formed due to corrosion of iron. Okay, now clear this thing. Rust is reddish brown substance which is formed due to corrosion of iron, due to presence of water vapor and so many other causes. Rust is formed when iron reacts with moisture. Yes, okay, what thing? Moisture and the oxygen present in the air. We can prevent rusting by painting, greasing. How will you prevent this thing? Greasing or covering the iron objects with a layer of zinc metal. It is, if you want to stop rusting, you should use zinc metal to layer. Okay, now next thing, fast change. The changes that take place quickly or in a shorter duration of time are called fast change. Some examples of fast changes: burning of paper, lighting of bulb, cutting an apple. Okay, this is so simple, you can understand fast change. Okay, now next thing, reversible and irreversible changes. Here you are seeing irreversible change: paper turns into ash on burning. Here burning of paper and it will turn into ash. Okay, left thing after burning, that is ash. Okay, reversible change: a change in which the substance produced can get back to the original form is called a reversible change. This is a temporary change. And freezing of water. Irreversible change: a change in which the substance produced cannot get back to the original form. Okay, changing of duff into chapati. You know, your mother is, while cooking chapatis, duff will change into chapatis. Okay, physical and chemical change. This change is very important. You will study several times physical and chemical change. Although you will study all the changes, but this is so important regarding science. Okay. Here physical change, sugar crystal change into powder form. Okay. Now here chemical change, heating, burning of paper. Okay. Here physical change. Physical change, no new substance is formed. The substance may change its appearance or physical state. New substance with different properties is formed. Respiration in living beings. Okay. Chemical change. Oxygen turned into carbon dioxide. Okay. Physical change, chemical change. Changes involve energy. Here changes involve energy. Burning of candle, respiration, burning of LPG. Changes where energy is absorbed. Moving of cricket ball, melting of ice, boiling of water. Okay. Now I hope this is also understanding chapter. Try to understand all the things. If you read, you can understand. Here question answer, something to know. Temporary, reversible, physical, slow, fast, different. True, false. Bursting of a firecracker. Okay. Physical change, inflating a balloon, growth of a child, bird. Here value based question. Okay, try to understand all the things which is given here. Here something we want to discuss. Here D number question answer is here. Try to understand all the things which is given here. Okay. Here substance produced can get back, reversible change. Chemical change, new substances formed. Physical change, no new substances formed. Here also question answer, slow changes, fast changes. Here first distinguish between fast and slow changes. Give 2 examples of each type. Fast changes, burning of paper, lighting of bulb. Slow changes, change of seasons and growth of plant. Give 2 examples each of reversible and irreversible change. Reversible, folding of paper, freezing of water. Irreversible, curd from milk, burning of paper. Okay. Aging, growth of plant. Freezing of water, boiling of water. Here value based question, empathy, loving. No human nature is not related with physical or chemical change. Yes, have done. Okay, this is the answer of value based question. Okay, now question answer. I have written E number question answer. Try to pause the video and try to write. Okay. Try to write question answer chapter 5 up to this this is of class. Here E first question, E first is also present in the book, page 73. Turn page 73 and then you are able to write question answer. Here you should write a change in which the substance produced can get back to the original form is called a reversible change. Example, freezing of water, evaporation. Okay, irreversible change, example, changing of duff into chapati. Okay, you may write answer E first. Here try to understand all the things which is given in this video, and also I hope you will like my video and subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj on YouTube. My channel is on YouTube and the name of my channel is SK Singh Bikramganj. Okay, I hope you like my video and subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj so that you can get new video. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. Okay, once again thanks.